here, that journey chick on Instagram. I got a new company to unbox, Oraloa. This is a diamond painting company out of France. So I wanted to check them out. I saw them, of course, on Instagram. I think that's where most people saw them. They were making their present well known on Instagram. Just a few comments just before I open it up. Little pricey, so I'm hoping that what we got in the box is a premium product. We shall see. I will admit I have not watched any of the other unboxings. There's a fly on my ring light. You say what you see going on back here, maybe the kittens tend to play back here. So sometimes if I get really boring, you can just check out the kittens. So let's get into this, shall we? Now, I don't even remember what I ordered from this company. And it took, I'm going to say about 3 weeks to get to me. Oh, I guess I do know what I ordered. There's a picture on the back. There's a thumbnail on the back. So there is, you know, cellophane on the outer box. This box actually came in another cardboard box container. So this box was well protected and is in very good shape. Some of the writing is in French, some is in English, and a third language. I don't know what that language is. So like I said, it has the thumbnail. Back here, I ordered squares. The canvas is 80 by 66. Ooh, and the it is licensed artwork by Mickey Sincaric. Sincaric. Yay! All right, I'm trying to see what else is on the box without showing you the thumbnail. Pretty much that is it. So it's nice to get a, you know, branded content with a new company. You're not getting like one of those Chinese standard boxes. You're getting a branded box. It also has the thumbnail of the canvas here and one on the back, which that's kind of nice. So let's see what we got. I did write to this company. I have written to them back and forth, letting them know that I would be unboxing this canvas on my channel. So they are aware. They did give me a little bit of a discount so that I would unbox it on the channel. Okay, so there's nothing in the box. All right, this is, maybe there is something in the box. Oh, nice. Okay. Wow, a beautiful sticker sheet with a picture of the canvas. The only thing I'm going to say is that, it is a sticker sheet, but it's very small. The print is really, really small on the stickers. I don't know if you can see that. I will try to give you a close-up. It is 55 colors, and all 55 colors are in one column. And, you know, it's really, really tiny. There's a picture of the canvas. I did order a landscape. Really, really pretty. You can't really see it from here. This is called Oraloa Island of Arts. Mickey Sincaric. This is called the Rock House Homestead. That's the name of the painting that I ordered. From what I can see here, we've got a really, really colorful canvas. So we've got poured glue, which I'm all about the poured glue. I'm not doing double-sided adhesive. Probably, and I've got so many paintings that are double-sided adhesive. I'm not going to put myself through that angst. I just won't. Nope. All right, all right, let's look at the toolkit first. All right, so it's, first of all, it's in a plastic bag. It is not branded. The tweezers are falling out. They are not branded, but they are very sharp, pointy tweezers. I don't have to open the other end. It's all coming out this end. A pen with a fat 3-placer. So it's just kind of a cheapo bag anyway. So a boat with a funnel. And we've got a couple of other placers here. A nice, cute little thing of wax. It's actually what I like to keep my diamonds and my sparklers in. So I probably will use it for sparklers. Look at that. So it does come with 3 pieces of blue wax that fit into the container. Nice, very cute. A squishy for your pin, the lid to the tweezers, and a fat 7-placer, I guess. I don't use fat placers, so probably the only thing I will save out of this kit, I always save the tweezers. I looked the other day, I think I've cut like 30 pairs of tweezers, probably more than that. I'll save these couple of things for future use. The rest of this, yeah, it's going to go down here in the file 13. Okay, let's take a look at the drills. Okay, apparently I ordered square. You do have a choice of square round, which is kind of nice. They come beautifully packaged in bags. If you want to work out of bags, everything you need is here. You got everything you need to diamond paint in the toolkit with the bags. You don't need any fancy storage, any fancy pens. It's all right here. Now, I do not personally work out of bags. I prefer not to. Including, oh my goodness, there's some ABs in here, guys. Beautiful ones. I'm seeing a really pretty blue and a very pretty yellow AB. Now, the size of the canvas is on here and the kit number is on the drills. So in case you store them separately from the canvas like I do. Let's take a look at the canvas. Now, I just want to look at the back of the canvas. First of all, this is a soft lint canvas. It's really soft. And this is what I would expect for the price that I paid. It is serrated so that the edges do not fray. Really nice and soft. So this means that, as you can see, it's going to lay flat right away. We're not going to have to roll it backwards or do any fancy smancy lying it under books. It's going to sit perfectly for us. Look at that. Look at that. How gorgeous is this painting? My word. That is stunning. And some of you know that this year I am doing the Year of Alice. I've done Alice in Wonderland paintings all year long, one of each artist so far this year. Next year I'm doing the Year of Landscapes. So this will go into the rotation for landscapes next year. And it is super, super gorgeous. Super, super gorgeous. Wow. So let me just turn it around. I want to look at it. At this point, I'm going to show you what it looks like up close, including a look at the drill field. I will tell you that it's poured glue. We probably don't need to check it to see if it's sticky. It is. It does have the schematic in the upper left corner and in the lower right corner. And what do I mean by that? 55 drills. All the symbols are right here. I just want to look at the symbols to see if I see anything unusual, and I don't so far. They're alphanumeric, and there are symbols, but nothing, you know, stars, and most are alphanumeric, which I kind of like. This looks like a little sandals there, little eyeglasses. Here's what I do like. On your schematic. Now they're calling it a table. That's fine. The cat's just knocked something over. Okay. 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3, 4 is 4. I love that. Now, I don't understand how when I get a kit from some companies that like 1 is 8, 2 is 4, 3 is 7. You know, why? I think they do it just to annoy us, because it invariably you get confused. Well, I do. I know I've caught myself doing it more than once, like thinking I'm reaching for the number 4 symbol and I grab number 4 instead. So here, 1 through 8 is 1 through 8. Yay. Okay, so I like that. I don't, you know, there's some creases in the, you know, where air has gotten underneath the plastic, but that's not unusual. There is a thumbnail in the upper right corner. Is that right? Right? Left? Yeah, you know what I mean. But so saturated in color. I'm really, really loving this. Here is the painting up close. I will take you down to the drill field. The symbols are really, really clear and very vibrant, I will say. Now here is a close-up of those AB squares. Also really nice. Very unusual. You're getting a square kit with square ABs. Loving that. Loving that. So that is the Oraloa canvas. Look how pretty that. Do you want to live in this cottage here, surrounded by all these beautiful flowers? We've got like the daisies here, the lilacs. Oh my goodness, so gorgeous. And lots of confetti on the bottom. And look at they've got a little barn with a tractor over in the distance there. And then if I move this, and you've got the stairs that go up either way to the house. And that's, you know, that's the cellar where, you know, things happen in the crime stories I tell you about. All right, let's get the drills out. And you know what I'm seeing up here, like in the roof of this house, lots of color blocking. Actually, in this whole house, there is lots of color blocking opportunities in the sky. It isn't really till you'll get to the plants that you're getting into the confetti, which might be typical for a landscape. So where are the drills? Let's take a look at the drills. All right. So what I'm going to do with the drills is match them to the inventory sheet. And I will be right back. Okay, that wasn't terribly difficult, because what they've done is, I wish I hadn't taken them out of the bag now, because now I've got to put them back in. What they have done is they put them in the bag in the order of the numbers, 1 through 55. So 54 and 55 were the AB colors. Let me just show you those real quick. There's that really pretty blue AB. And there is the real pretty yellow. Very gorgeous. So I will put those back into the bag. They are square. I can, when I do the close-up shot, I will show you the drills in a tray and we'll see what they look like. But I can tell you just from looking at them in the bag that I'm not seeing a lot of trash. The drills look pretty good. I'm not unhappy with this kit, not at all. I think that the price that I paid was reasonable. It's a premium kit. You've got your, you've got 55 drills, including 2 ABs. You've got this soft lint canvas, poured glue, a beautiful sticker sheet, you know, that you can, you are going to have to cut it up to put it on your storage containers. But you know, that's okay. The ABs are interspersed in the flowers, which are going to make a really gorgeous painting. And that's all I have to say. So thanks guys for watching. I'm not gonna torture you with watching me put this back in the bag. I will see you in my next video. Love you all. Bye.